Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? Hoping of your best of health and iman. MashaAllah. Now we are going to start our work. Let's open your English textbook Broadway, grade 3. Open page number 18. Learn pronunciation. Learn pronunciation. Pronunciation means that how we can speak these words. In each line, circle the word that has a different first sound. Then practice saying the words aloud. Example: cave, carpet, cement. We can see that these both words have the same pronunciation or same first sound, ka sound. Cave, carpet. Cave, carpet. But this word has the different first sound, cement. Cement. Only cement begins with an S sound. The other words begin with the ka sound. Ka sound. Cave, carpet. Ka sound. Cave, carpet. But this word has the different first sound, cement. Cement. This word begins with S sound, but both these words begins with ka sound. Number 1, soap. Soap. Sugar. Sand. Soap. Sand. We can see that both these words begin with S sound. Soap. Sand. But this word has a different first sound, sugar. Sha साउंड जो है ना वो आ रही है शा. शुगर. वी विल सर्कल इट. सोप, सैंड, शुगर. नंबर 2, कार्ड, सेंटर, केक. कार्ड, केक. बोथ बिगिंस विद द का साउंड. कार्ड, केक. बट this one has a different first sound, center. Center. This begins with S sound, center. So we can see that this has a different first sound and we will circle it. Number 3, gate, gift, gentle. Gate, gift, ga sound. These words begins with ga sound. Gate, gift, gate, gift. But this has a different first sound. Gentle, gentle, gentle. The sound of G, gentle. Number 4, child, chalk, Christmas. Child, we can see that both begin with cha sound. Child, chalk, child, chalk. This one has a different first sound. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. It has a ka sound, Christmas. We will circle it. Number 5, this, thick, thin. This, thick, thin. Tha sound, thick, thin. These both words begins with tha sound, thick, thin. And this one has a different first sound. This, the sound, this. T-H-I-S. T-H-I-S. This. This. We will circle it. Soap, sand, sugar. Card, cake, center. Soap, sand, both have begin with S sound, but this has a different first sound, sugar. Card, cake, both begin with ka sound, but this one has a different first sound, sa. Sa sound, center. Gate, gift, both begin with ga sound, but this one has a different first sound, gentle, G sound. Child, chalk, both begin with cha sound, child, chalk, but this has a different first sound, ka sound. Christmas. This has a different first sound, the sound, but both these begin with tha sound, thick, thin. Okay, you have to learn it 2 to 3 times at home. Thank you. Khuda Hafiz.